Welcome back to the channel. We're passing the Spanish Town Hospital, and yes, we're in Spanish Town. I'm doing a drive through the Spanish Town area, just showing you guys what's happening around the place. If you're new to the channel, I am Rush from Raymore Reviews, known as also the Discovery Boss. It's another exclusive driving video, so stay tuned, enjoy, and I hope you're able to see some areas that you probably haven't visited or driven through in a while. I know a lot of you guys are overseas, so you get to see what's happening currently on the ground in Jamaica. The aim of the channel is really to highlight all that's happening in Jamaica in terms of developments, in terms of commercial real estate development, and other things as well. Anything good that's happening in Jamaica, I try to highlight it on the channel. And it can't be all about the bad, all about the news with all the killing and murders and everything. We should be able to show some of the good stuff as well. So we're here in Spanish Town, just taking a drive through and drive along. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free, so once you're still seeing the subscribe button already, just click on it. I know a lot of you guys sometimes watch the videos and may not subscribe. It doesn't take anything to subscribe. Yeah, we're passing St. Jago Shopping Center on the left now, so that's on the left. Remember to leave a comment, anything at all, what you think about Spanish Town, what you think about the area, what you think is lacking, because a lot of those comments come across from time to time in terms of person giving their ideas in terms of what should be done. And on my right was the Spanish Town Prison Over. We passed that probably a minute ago, and the police station is on my left, Spanish Town Police Station. So stay tuned, guys. Leave a comment, like, and share so more persons can see the video. And we're definitely trying to get to 6,000 subscribers before September 1st. So let's create a record. Let's do this. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're coming up to White Church Street. That's the intersection that we are. And we're going into Spanish Town. And when you're driving on these roads, not only in Spanish Town but in Jamaica, you have to be looking out for other drivers, especially taxis and bus, because they drive in coming up to Spanish Town Shopping Center. A lot of people out shopping. So this is a popular Spanish Town Shopping Center. I think one day I may just go inside and do a walk around with you guys. See some potholes. Not sure how long they're there. The road is very bad though. I have to be crawling for the video not to jerk too much. Drive through the Spanish town, the old capital. And carts everywhere, so you have to be mindful when you're driving these streets. Persons crossing at anywhere. Alright, so in the vicinity of Burke Road. So we have Mothers in front of us. That's a fast food joint. They have been around for a while. Mothers restaurant. We have Jamaica National on the left. That's a bank. I think one of the few banks that may open. No, I don't think they open on a Saturday. I think it's First Global Bank that opens on a Saturday. See, the taxis really park everywhere outside the park, so causes the roadway to be more combusted, causes more traffic as well when they park anywhere, which we're seeing right now. So I'm gonna have to wait to squeeze through here. Alright, and we have a cemetery on the right. Not sure what's the name of that cemetery. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Now you guys from Spanish Town, familiar with Spanish Town, let me know the name of that cemetery to the right. Going over the train line and heading out to the roundabout. A lot of land still in Spanish Town to be developed, a lot of potential still sitting. But again guys, I drive through Spanish Town. Definitely leave your comments, like the video, and definitely subscribe if you're new as well. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna end the video.